Hey guys, it's Monica. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Spanish Halo. This is my series on Wednesdays we talk wax. This is my what I finished up for the week. And yes, I do have my Tinkerbell pajamas. So I'm trying to record this at night because this is when the dogs make less noise. So let's get started. First thing we have is a bag of cotton balls, 150 counts. I'm gonna empty this, so sorry for the noise. Okay, so I usually stick everything back in here. It's easy for me to throw it into the plastics container. So the first thing we got through is a candle cranberry chutney. Doesn't really say the brand. Just says made in Vietnam. But I like the design. It's that old school. It's like you would find like your auntie's or grandma's house, and then jars, and then they would put like cotton balls or Q-tips or something. So this one, the cranberry comes out. It was a medium to strong throw, but I burned it 4 times, and on the last burn, it like didn't pull right, so I had to like use the knife to get it all out, and it was messy. So I would buy this again. The scent was great. I like cranberry. Let's see what else. Trying to get non-wax first. We got through a what are these called? Scent circle. Oh my god, what are these called? Hold on, I'm blanking out on what these are called. I'll insert it in here. My brain is fried. It's in Huddle Up, which is a grassy grassy and petrichor scent. It's okay. It came with the football warmer. And then oh my god, my husband is so loud. Hopefully they're done. He's talking to our dogs. So the next thing I got through was a brick, and I finally finished it, and it is one red pear and pomegranate because I put them in these tubs and I separate them. So this was pomegranate, rhubarb, and red pear. This was a very light to medium scent. It is more like a background scent, which was fine because it's not. The pomegranate comes out, a little bit of the rhubarb, and like I said, it's a light scent. It doesn't waft. It's you put it in the kitchen, it stays in the kitchen. You put it in bed, so it's perfect for like if you're taking a nap. I like scent in the room if I'm taking a nap, but I don't like the light. So if I'm taking a nap or sleeping, I turn the warmers off. But like that, if I'm taking a nap, that one can stay on. It's fine. Like I said, it's a background. So, and then I got through 2 full bars, and the rest are samples. So the first one I got through is a. Oh my god, I swear. Hopefully they're done. Oh my god, I swear. Okay. If it's not my husband or the dogs, it's my phone. Cashmere and corduroy. This one got very juicy. This one is just cashmere and corduroy. It's not an, oh god, it's so good. Ugh. It's like a medium to strong scent, and it's so pretty, and it's a sweet. I think the cashmere comes off as sweet, and so yeah, that one is not in the catalog. Like I said, sorry, I was putting this stuff in here. So that way, it's easier for me to take it to the plastics because my husband always tells me don't forget to put your scenty stuff in the plastic and put the room spray with the aluminum cans because it's aluminum. And I told him I already know. I even tell my subscribers. So this one is from Miller Farm Candle Company, Wild Berry Violet. And then I do want to order more from them. I had one on their on their website yesterday, and I was looking to see which ones they had. And this one is I think this one's available still. Blackcurrant, raspberry, and strawberry. It's a nice fruity scent. It's a medium strength. It's okay. It doesn't overpower or anything, and it's a good mixer. I mixed that with the amber scent because I don't really like amber. And so these are all the samples we got through. Oh, one more. So, okay. Let me go through these little 1 ounce samples. From Luna Rose Wax Co. Vanilla Bean Noel. Rich sweet vanilla sugar cookie. Lightly roasted marshmallow and a hint of caramel, BBW type. This one was good. It's in the shape of a heart. So I cut it into 2 pieces. Yeah, that was a nice medium one. This one is from Rocky Top Wax Co. This is Bikini. Perfect for summer. Coconut guava, lemon orchid, orris, vanilla, wood, and musk. Orris is iris. Yeah, and the musk comes out, and the what's the other fruit? Orchid. And I do like orchid. So it's a nice floral scent. That's really pretty, and that lemon comes out too. And they got 1, 2, 3, 5 from L3 Waxy Wonders. 4 of them are mystery. So I'll just go and tell you what they are because they're mystery. This is a 7-Up lemon pound cake scent. That one was pretty good. I do like fizzy ones. This one was a strawberry, like a strawberry rose. It's pretty. Last mystery scent. I had one on her mystery bundle set December or something. This was a cinnamon clove cookie. And then this one is strawberry pound cake bum bum beach nights. 3 Waxy Wonders. Yeah, that's exactly what it smells like. Strawberry pound cake. This is from L3 Waxy Wonders Baja Breeze Buzz. This was in the shape of a, was it a bee? It was a big thing. I had to cut it into 4. Blue agave and melon, Baja cactus blossom, and pineapple. And the pineapple comes out in this one. It's so good. It's such a sweet, perfect citrus smell. Oh yeah. And the Baja Breeze comes out. Yeah, that one was pretty good. And then these 2 are from Little Blue Coop. So this first one is Happy Birthday Cake. It's nobody's birthday. I was just wanting to do cake. blend of strawberry pound cake, vanilla pound cake, and buttercream cupcake. So these are all 3 cupcakes. A blend of cupcakes. Yeah, and that strawberry comes out. Oh, it's so good. That was a really good one. And this one is the one that's in the warmer for tomorrow. Summer scoop cone. Little blue coop. And this one is just strawberry ice cream. And this one had about 6 little cubes, really tiny cubes. And that is it, guys. That was my week. What else? I think we had 5 questions. Is it on this phone or that phone? Hold on, let me check which one it's on. Yeah, no, it was supposed to be 5 questions, but it's on this one that I'm recording because my other phone, my main phone, I'm running out of room on there, so I can only keep like 2 videos at a time. So I usually would record 4 from all my series, but now I can only keep 2 because the memories so on that one. That's why I'm recording on this one, but that's fine. The quality is the same. So I guess I'll just ask 5 questions from you guys. Since it's Wednesday, we'll ask, what is your favorite day of the week? For me, it's Monday. It's always a new start, a new day, so I love Mondays. Second question, what is your favorite season? Mine is spring and fall. I like 2. I don't like winter or summer. You can pick 2. Next is, what is your favorite color? Mine is purple. I don't know if you could tell, the walls are purple. So that's my favorite color. Next one is, are you a Pepsi or a Coke? I am a Pepsi girl. In fact, my Pepsi's over there. And then last one, do you have a sweet tooth? Yes, I do. I don't have anything sweet in here. I try not to keep stuff in here because my dogs come in here and they'll get into it. So I'll have you guys sit still while I do this. Throw this in the kitchen. That's the word. But yeah, all of those are 3 purchases. I had a pretty good week. I didn't really have a favorite. I picked a lot of fruity scents this week, and those are the last of my samples. So I am done. Now I'm in clamshells, or like the bigger brittles. Yeah, it's already time to go because these dogs need to eat and they do not shut up. So we will see you again. See you guys again. This is Monica. I'm in New Mexico. My Scentsy website is SpanishHalo.Scentsy.us. They are in SFR, Scentsy Family Reunion, so we should be getting little sneak previews through the week. So I'm excited about that. So follow your favorite YouTubers. I'm sure they'll have news and stuff. So I can't wait to see what's coming for the fall and holiday. Again, this is on Wednesdays we talk wax, and this is my channel, Spanish